What's up? Welcome to another episode of Ferb's Fishing and Outdoors. Today I'm with Doyle. You may recognize him from Eastern Ontario Adventures. We've got the canoe out today and we're gonna have some fun bass fishing. Hopefully we get some. If we don't, we're gonna try for everything under the sun. Doyle's on.
I'm just trying to hold him in because I don't want to lose another fish.
Not much I can do to help.
Hey man, that's good. Bigger than everyone has caught it. And it goes.
Oh yeah. That's a good one.
I'm happy with it. I'm happy.
Woohoo!
First bass of the day.
On the frog. Decent.
That's actually like pretty good.
Couple pounds, maybe? Pound and a half?
Pound and a half for sure. Long range fist bump. Sick, man. Finally, 2 blow-ups.
Yep.
Ooh. Sounds like a good one. Oh, that's pretty good.
Heck yeah. Woohoo! First fish of the day. Pop this off real quick. There we go. Oh, it's all fishy. Hope that's good. Let's get him back in the water here. Woo-wee! Nice. I got one. Oh yeah. There we go. Am I going? I'm going. Oh yeah. Another largie.
What the was that?
Oh. Another nice little largemouth. I'm happy with that. Look at that. Get him back in the water here. Whoo-wee! There's another. Alright, thanks for watching another video of Ferb's Fishing Outdoors. I hope you enjoyed. Caught a couple fish, some nice bass, what can you say? I mean, you can't really help it if you only catch a couple. See you next time, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Bye now. Pick up your damn trash.